Hey everyone, welcome back to NPL Technical. Today we're diving into the exciting world of tech with a closer look at the Rabbit R1. This compact and versatile device is designed to be your ultimate tech companion, combining the functionality of a smartphone, tablet, and more into one sleek package. So join me as we explore its features and discover how it can enhance your digital lifestyle. So, first things first, let's start with the design. The Rabbit R1 boasts a sleek and modern look that's sure to turn heads. Its slim profile and lightweight construction makes it incredibly portable, fitting easily into your pocket or bag. Whether you're on the go or relaxing at home, the Rabbit R1 is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Next up, let's talk about the display. The Rabbit R1 features a unique dual mode display that offers the best of both worlds. In standard mode, you get a vibrant and colorful touchscreen that's perfect for browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games. But when you need to focus or conserve battery, you can switch to the e-ink mode, which mimics the look of real paper and is ideal for reading ebooks or documents without straining your eyes. Under the hood, the Rabbit R1 packs a punch with its powerful performance. Whether you're multitasking between apps, streaming HD content, or tackling demanding tasks, the Rabbit R1 is up to the challenge thanks to its advanced processor and ample RAM. With smooth and responsive performance, you can stay productive and entertained wherever you go. When it comes to staying connected, the Rabbit R1 has it covered. It supports a wide range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more, allowing you to stay connected to the world around you. Whether you're sharing files with friends, connecting to wireless accessories, or browsing the web, the Rabbit R1 makes it easy to stay connected and productive. Last but not the least, let's talk about battery life. The Rabbit R1 is equipped with a high-capacity battery that's designed to keep up with your busy day. Whether you're working, playing, or just browsing, you can count on the Rabbit R1 to deliver long-lasting battery life, ensuring that you stay powered up and ready for whatever comes your way. And there you have it, folks. That's a closer look at the Rabbit R1, your ultimate tech companion. With its sleek design, dual mode display, powerful performance, versatile connectivity options, and long-lasting battery life, the Rabbit R1 is ready to take your digital lifestyle to the next level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel NPL Technical for more tech reviews and insights. See you next time.
Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.